She's the different one.
I give him a sneeze.
She doesn't want to. She's unapologetically herself. And that's what makes her shine.
Oh my
She's the kind
God.
of person who lights up a room just by walking in. Her kindness is drawing others to her like moths to a flame. She's always there with a smile and words. Her sense of humor is infectious.
Oh, say choo.
She has a way of finding the funny side of people, even in the dark.
Good boy.
Ready?
Loyalty is
Sneeze.
unlike any other.
Bigger.
She stands by her friends and loved ones through thick and
That was weak. Give me a good one.
to offer support and a listening ear.
Good job.
Because one of the models started talking to me, I thought he was going to be in my pocket.